Hi, I'm Pop.
I'm Map.
And welcome back to our channel where we react to
Vinny Videos.
Yes, hello. So, my best friend who is a non-K-pop, non-P-pop, or alam mo yun, non-fan of
Sakto
anything.
lang.
Hindi siya super hardcore fan of anything. So, I asked her to react to Beanie Videos with me. Ayan. Okay, so,
Ano next?
so if you're watching this video, this is, ang
Love
tawag-
yourself.
Yeah. No, I mean, so, Beanie just released yung newest Coke Studio collaboration nila, which is entitled Oxygen. So, I asked Mapol if we could react to that together, although napanood ko na. Pero like, okay lang naman. Anyway, so, ang tinanong ko siya, kasi sabi ko, this is the fourth parang Coke Studio collaboration of Beanie. So, sabi ko sa kanya,
Ano yung first, second, third?
ito yung first.
Okay.
So, ang
Akala
sabi ko
ko fourth, sabi mo.
ang sabi ko
First.
sa kanya, if she wanted to watch the older ones muna hanggang umabot tayo ng Oxygen. And so that's what we're gonna do. Unahin natin sa pinaka-baby version nila, which is
Okay.
yung Love
Kailan
Yourself.
to?
Oh my God, hindi ako sure.
This year lang.
2024 yung Blooming, 2023. So 2022 siguro to.
Okay.
Kasi yearly.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go watch it.
Alright, let's start.
Sobrang sanggol nila.
2 years ago to?
2022, 3 years.
3 years ago.
4?
Attention, come and look at me. The things you gotta see. Hey, leave the numbers.
Okay, sorry. Hindi ko pala na-share. So, hindi ko pa ito napapanood ng buo.
Okay.
Okay, I love the song. It's part of my playlist. Okay, kung guys, if you're not streaming through Station Head, mag-join kayo doon please. Kailangan natin ng mga active streamers. Okay? So, punta kayo ng X. Marami nagbibigay doon ng mga premium subscriptions sa Spotify para maka-join kayo ng Station Head. Okay? If hindi nyo alam kung saan, mag-comment kayo dyan. Ibibigay ko sa inyo yung link and all that. Okay, so anyway, I haven't watched this whole performance
Ng buo.
video.
Alright,
Ng buo.
sige.
Pero the song I love.
Okay.
As yourself, your shape is precious, baby. I believe nothing can be. I said just be what we gotta be. You'll see. No, don't you ever question that your worth is so much more than that's a fact. Kung papatalo, sinasabi ng iba, tumingang malalim kung ano ang sabihin. Pero nang ika'y mag-iisa, tingnan mo ang ganda mo kaya saan lang ang mga mata. La 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 love yourself. Basta tibayan ang loob, hindi ka mapapanaw. Lika na, just love yourself. Come on, shake your body, go for that again. And feel it move effortlessly. Be free to see the beauty. Everybody 2, 3, shout it out, sing with me. Stop comparing, we're celebrating. The life we have, we put it honor you, precious. Precious and the jewels you could ever find. Shine brighter, my love. I'm gonna mo. So and thick like dark hair. Skin tight, color race, I don't care. Keep your lip because we all see going wrong there. Gotta be and how we really got flair. No, don't you ever question that. Your worth is so much more, and that's a fact. Magpapatalo sa sinasabi ng iba. Humingang malalim kung ano ang sabihin. Dahil lang ika'y makikisa, tingnan mo ang ganda mo kaya saan lang ang mga mata. La 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 love yourself. Basta tibayan ang loob, hindi ka mapapataon. Lika na, just love yourself. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Pag nangangamba, ikaw ay mahalaga.
Hey, dance break! Hey!
Pero lang ika'y mag-iisa, tingnan
tayo nag-post sa gitna.
Ah.
Okay.
Masyado tayo natuwa.
Okay, wait. So, okay, again, this is my first time watching this. So,
Thoughts?
oh my God, sobrang bata pa nila.
Sobrang baby ng itsura.
Sobrang baby nila. As in, tiny. Ganyan. Okay, so obviously, yung budget
Tiny.
dito hindi pa, the budget is not yet budgeting.
Kapag Coke collaboration, kailangan naka-red talaga. Hindi naman.
Hindi ko alam kung wala ako sa contract signing, hindi natin sure kung
Hindi,
required.
baka yung ibang
Pero
groups.
lahat, I mean, up until Oxygen, red talaga yung theme. So,
Ah.
probably, may ganong clause somewhere na, kasi yun yung color
Kailangan
nila.
red.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi again, this is an ad song, technically. So, pero I mean, the song itself, guys, again, this is one of my, sobrang loved Beanie songs.
So,
yung
pag
mga
ganyan,
older
hindi
ones
kasali
nila.
sa albums.
Hin-
Pag ad video.
Honestly, guys, sorry, I don't think kasama to sa like physical albums, yung mga naging albums talaga nila. And I don't think they can perform this
Bonus track, ganun.
ng outside of Coke, whatever.
Okay, gets.
So, I don't think napanood ko na to ng buo live.
Mm-mm.
Oo, so ayun. So anyway, the song itself, ang catchy niya,
Mm-mm,
'di ba?
mm-mm.
Tapos yung narinig mo ba yung sinabi,
Love yourself.
eh,
Ah.
yung sinabi ni Mika, sobrang favorite ko yun. Kasi may interview siya na sinabi niya yun, parang, my love, ang ganda-ganda mo. Good.
Ah.
Oh my, guys! So, okay, Mika,
MJL.
I'm a Mika light. Charot. Okay, pero OTA tayo again. Anyway, thoughts?
Sobrang baby. Parang hindi ako, parang the whole time na tinitingnan ko, parang yung itsura nila, sobrang nag-mature na, no? Sa ngayon, and to think 3 years lang.
3-4? Sorry guys, di ko alam.
Oo.
Pwede naman namin silipin, pero ayoko nang i-minimize. Charot. Okay, so, again, obviously,
And kung i-compare mo din sa dance moves nila ngayon, kasi
Oo.
mabilis na,
Oo.
alam mo yun,
Ang
dito
linis-linis
magaling
na.
pa rin
Oo.
naman. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, comparing it to how they dance now, lalo na kakapanood lang din natin ng Shaggy D, diba?
Guys,
Parang,
sorry.
wow.
Dahil sinabi niyo na yon, guys, if you haven't checked it out, meron kaming Shaggy D MV reaction.
Yes.
Please watch that too. Okay, go push.
Yung bilis ng gala, again, hindi naman tayo dancer, pero, di ba, makikita
Yung linis.
natin. Oo, yung
Oo.
linis. Tsaka, yung bilis talaga. Kasi dito parang medyo, di ba, yung ngayon, wow.
Di, tsaka honestly, kasi okay, so I think supposedly, parang live performance siya. Feeling ko, parang they haven't parang really gotten out of them their shell. Itong
Sa
ano na to.
netong,
Oo. Kasi syempre again, bago pa lang sila niyan. So siguro may ganyan. Compared to now, na alam mo yung parang
Kilala
oo,
na nila.
tsaka pag nagpo-perform sila
True.
ngayon, parang this is the moment. Yung ganun pang championship lagi, yung ganyan. So dito, nakikita mo nandun yung potential. Nakikita mo na magaling sila, pero gets iba yung level nung ginrow nila from...
So, agree.
Okay. So, gusto natin yung kanta.
May next pa?
Oo.
Okay.
Pero okay, we will react to the other Coke Studio video songs, pero sa next video yun.
Okay.
So, if you liked our reaction to Love Yourself, please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more.
Good job,
Okay.
Beanie.
Oh my God, baby beanies.
Baby Beanie.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you sa next video.
Bye.
Bye.